In this part, I'll demonstrate how to use database proxy for read-write splitting for an RDS for MySQL instance. Before use this feature, you need to make sure that your instance has created read replica. So you can click here and view the instance topology. So my instance right now have a read replica, have one read replica here. And if you don't have one, you can click here to create a read replica for this instance. To use the function, go to database proxy page and click create database proxy. So you need to create a proxy instance, and first you need to configure the settings. And so for example, you can change the proxy name, and you can choose the proxy role. So it provides two options, read and write. It means that this proxy will route both read and write queries, or you can choose read onlys. And if you choose that, the proxy will only route the read requests. Then you need to choose the routing policy. If you choose weighted, then later you need to manually set the weights for each node, and the database requests will be routed to the to different nodes according to the weights you set to them. And if you choose load balancing, then the routes will just be automatically routed to the node with fewer active connections. And then you need to choose the instance class. And some instance class might not be available in certain regions. For example, in Hong Kong region, seems only Kunpeng instance class is available. So I choose this class now. And then you choose the subnet and choose the proxy nodes. And the proxy node number should be the same as the number of read replicas. Then you need to select the instance. So, for example, I select the read replica. If you have multiple read replica, then you can choose multiple ones. If you choose the weighted routing policy here, then you need to, after selecting the read replica, you need to set the weight. But right now, because my role setting is read only, so it actually doesn't really matter. But if I choose read and write, then choose multiple nodes here. So I choose both the primary standby and the read replica. Then I need to adjust the weight, and the queries will be routed according to the weights I set. So after confirming the settings, click next and click submit. And the request has been submitted, and go back to the database proxy page. After waiting a while, the proxy has been created, and the read-write splitting address has been generated. You can also view the proxy address on the overview page. It's shown here. So now you can use the proxy address instead to connect the application, etc. And the read-write queries will be handled and routed based on the configuration rule you set.